Hi everyone, this next event is called the Laundry Basket Trap. And for this event you will need a 60-second timer and you will need a tennis ball or a pair of rolled up socks and you will need a washing basket and a water bottle. And you can see there that I've propped the washing basket up on the water bottle at the edge. Now, for this event, you need to throw your tennis ball, either underarm or overhand, or bowl it any way you'd like to try and knock down your water bottle and trap the ball and the water bottle inside the laundry basket. If you manage to just trap the ball, then you'll get 1 point. If you manage to just trap the water bottle, then you'll receive 1 point. If you manage to trap both the water bottle and the ball inside the laundry basket, give yourself 2 points. Here is a little demonstration. Good luck!